Okay, and if we have really oil leak in our drive shaft in Honda Civic or Honda Accord car, we can really replace this gasket in here, in that area. And let's look at how we can do that. Okay, and we really need pliers what moves in that way, and they are sharp. And when I install my tools in here, in these holes, we can see those holes in here, and I compress this inside, and this is like locking pin. And now this our gasket, it is easier to remove, and now I need a little bit rubber hammer, and this is my rubber hammer. This is elastic, and that part when I a little bit hit in outer, this part opens. It's a little bit stuck, but I use this another side. And now if this is not opening this way, let's try another direction in inner area. Okay, now it moves. When we look in here, this part goes in here, is inside. Okay, good. And now this gasket really opens. And there are those compression springs in here. And if we have any leak, it is in here. And we can get these new parts from Honda dealership center if we have oil in here, and especially in that area leaking in ground. We can repair that. And of course, we have to open this our automatic transmission that we can see this part. But this is really possible to repair. Okay, thank you.